Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the OReilly app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. OReilly is an educational platform app designed to provide users with access to books, videos, live training, and learning paths across tech, business, and professional development topics. The app allows users to stream content, download materials for offline use, track learning progress, and personalize recommendations based on interests. It also includes interactive tools, quizzes, and notes to enhance the learning experience. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate OReilly for its extensive library of high-quality resources, clear video tutorials, and well-organized content. The offline download feature is convenient for learning on the go, and personalized recommendations help users stay on track with their learning goals. Many learners value the integration of live sessions, which provides real-time insights and interaction with instructors. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some content requires a subscription, which may be costly for individual users. Occasional app crashes or slow streaming have been reported, and the interface can feel overwhelming due to the sheer volume of resources. Additionally, advanced search options may be limited compared to the desktop version. In summary, the OReilly app may be worth using if you're looking for a comprehensive learning platform for tech, business, or professional skills. It shines in content variety, interactive learning, and offline accessibility. However, if subscription costs or interface complexity are concerns, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.